Silly dog. Lord, she saw another dog, and then she saw a squirrel running up a tree. About pulled me down. It's okay. It's okay. They're not gonna get us. Hey, Motley Rue. Check out these hills, buttes, mountains. What are they? What are they called out here in Oklahoma? Sure is different from the western. Different landscape from the western end of it. Nothing but cattle fields and windmills for miles. This here is pretty cool. We are less than an hour from Enid, Oklahoma. Beautiful. Beautiful landscape. Rock. Are coming into Enid, Oklahoma. Haven't been in Enid in, probably almost 40 years ago. Took a trip out here with my sister, who now lives in North Carolina, that I'm headed to visit. And she was working out here on a kind of college intern sort of thing. That's a whole story for another video. This is Enid, Oklahoma, and I don't remember much of what it looked like back then, but I'm saying it's probably grown up quite a bit in 40 years. But I have fond memories of Enid, Oklahoma. Gosh, it had to be 1986, maybe 87. I must have been only like 19. Pretty sure I was only 19, so it would have been like probably 1986. Rode out. She had worked in Enid for so many months, and then they moved the project to Delhart, Texas. So she had come back home for a break in between, and I rode out with her, help her drive. And and took a Greyhound bus back from Dalhart, Texas. One and only time of my life I rode a Greyhound bus. Would not recommend going across the country on a Greyhound bus, even back in 1986. It was an experience, for sure. I am headed towards, I believe it's called Government Park. Just a park, but something on the map that looked like something to see. Government Springs Park. It's right across from a medical center. It's a pretty park. I parked to go to the park. Another pretty park. Parking. Going to get in here near the restrooms because we need another bathroom break. Don't we, Motley Rue? Silly dog. Lord, she saw another dog and then she saw a squirrel running up a tree. About pulled me down. So this is Government Spring Park in Enid, Oklahoma. Look over there. There's, come here. Those like outlines of cattle, like a cattle drive. You see it? Stop, Motley. Jeez. Thought they were real for a minute. Geese. Oh, that's pretty. All that awful murky looking water, but there you go. A little arched bridge to walk over. Nice place to stop and walk the dog. Maybe have lunch. Huh? What do you think, Rue? So you love it because there's squirrels and geese and all kind of things for you to chase and goose poop to eat. Huh? All right. Just wish the bathrooms were working, but it said they were out of order. I have to find somewhere else to go, or I'm gonna have to crawl in the back and use my own, probably. There's some ducks. Yeah, we don't want to get around the geese. They might get you. So geese can be mean. They'll come at you. Come on. dirt. Hold on a minute. Little playground. Sun's going down. Nice little city park. Here we go. City of Enid, Klemme. Alright, babe. You do what you gotta do. Huh? What now? Come on, you ain't gonna roll in something dead again. I think she rolled enough in whatever that was back there at the last stop and slap out that she has a bit of a stinky smell to her now. So when we get to the motel, I'm probably going to have to give her a bath. At least wash her head and all. Where might be a better view of this? What's that supposed to be? The Indian shooting the ranchers driving their cattle. Motley's barking at them because she thinks they're, well, one, they're painted black, but Government Springs Park. They have a whole display of cattle drive out in front. I might have to voice over this. Nice little park. It's okay. It's okay. They're not gonna get us. Hey, Motley Rue. It's okay. It is okay. It's okay. So they were big, giant, scary-looking black cows, huh? Oh my gosh, yes, I know. But it's okay. Oh goodness.
There's so many things to be angry about, and my phone won't ring unless I call you out. But the kids seem good and that'll do for now. There's gotta be more in store for this lonely town.